Hello and good day. So just wanted to do a touch base review on these Aerotrunk Compression Packing Cubes. So I took these on a recent trip to New Jersey, and with these compression packing cubes, I was really pleased with them. So pleased to them to the point in which I'll probably order another pair just because I do want more larger packing cubes. But even with that being said, these just feel really high quality, and if you open it up, these packing cubes did a really great job as far as actually segregating my belongings. So it was only a weekend trip. I was only there for a wedding and such. But with these packing cubes, number one, you are able to organize them. Number two, you are able to see them. I know that some other packing cubes include labels, but I actually prefer to actually see what's inside the packing cube without actually having to open it. And again, just the high quality nature of them, I had no problems whatsoever actually zipping and unzipping them. And so these are compression packing cubes in which if you put things inside here, and then where's the compression zipper, and you zip this close, it is going to do its best job to kind of compress your clothes. And so the different compartments or different sizes do come in handy. Like I said, I would have preferred more larger sizes just for the actual clothes. I'm not too wary when it comes to actually having different sizes, but even so, I made use of it. So over here I had like my shirts and shorts. Over here I had like my long tubes of actual toiletries. Over here was where my socks and underwear went, and over here I actually just had like more smaller toiletries placed in here. But even so, I was very pleased with these Aerotrunk compression packing cubes. I didn't have any problems with it whatsoever, so do check it out.